on YouTube, Dorito.
And the Luch, come here.
And today we got a blast from the past.
You remember this thing?
Yep.
We brought it back out, people.
Yep, this is the Trailmaster Xrs 150 buggy. This is one of my favorites. I've loved this buggy from day one.
This one will not hurt you.
Yeah, we got this one started out when we first started out doing our videos. This was a buggy. So there's no way.
OG bug right here.
When I brought it out of storage and it was running real bad, and we switched the carburetor on it and it kept having issues. CDI. We went through everything, kept having issues.
Finally put an engine in it.
Yep, so we got a hold of HammerheadPerformance.com.
These guys are awesome. People, check them out.
Where we had gotten the exhaust and intake, and you guys have seen the videos. Well, I'll go ahead and put a link below to the other videos of the exhaust and intake, which is awesome on these buggies.
Sound good, too.
We actually reached out to them, and we bought an engine as well. Brand new Hammerhead Gy6 150 engine. We had Bill install it, as you guys saw in the video. And now it's time to take it. Yeah.
Where was I?
You weren't there. He did it. You didn't.
Oh, Bill's an awesome dude.
Yep. He's not going to pass the mask, but Bill does have.
We need to get. If you need Bill needs a mask, comment below.
Yeah. But anyways, so Bill swapped out the engine. We put it on an OEM carb, and it seems to be running pretty good. But we're going to have Luch take it out here in our nice new ride area.
In the wide open space.
Check it out and tell us what he thinks. So anyways, long story short, let's get on with it.
Shall we?
Okay.
Xrs 150 ride. Take one.
With the nice new Polaris engine. Hammerhead Polaris.
Polaris, is that like the god of the ocean?
Yes.
Cool.
Okay, get on with it.
Off we go, people. What do you have to say for yourself, Chip?
Safety first.
$10 says he doesn't make it back. cousins side by side. There's one fat kid filling in the middle.
Dusty donut.
That's all, people.
Cut my life into pizzas. This is my plastic fork. No Parmesan. No.